أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. به أستعين في جميع الأمور. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Blessed 2021 holiday season's greetings from President of SAM's TQLMA Club, Dr. Mufaddal Mirza, engaged in building SAM's Wheel of Life Farm School in global university campuses, and SAM's Energime University Climate Smart Campus Town in Garg Dairy Farm in Windham, Texas, close to Dallas, Texas. So 163 acres dairy farm will be transformed into a benchmark climate smart town to demonstrate the implementation of the 17 SDG goals of the United Nations, and all available climate smart technologies will be demonstrated in this campus town. The model will be similar to Expo 2020, where all countries are being represented. So we would like all countries to really be represented there by building 110 homes, self-sustaining communities to reflect their culture in our campus town. So idea is simply to integrate the wisdom of all cultures in all countries and geographies in a university campus town where everybody can benefit from each other's wisdom and experience, and we can collectively beat this deadly Omicron version of Delta and enjoy inflation-free total quality life in 2022. Everybody can participate in our project by simply enrolling in Sam's TQLMA Club with 10 pure gold coins, which is equivalent to 20 Canadian dollars. Annual membership also includes the membership of Victory Garden to train global mothers in climate smart agriculture, growing ingredients in their own home, and cooking immunity boosting meals for their family as well as for the community members. Our Wheel of Life Farm School will also have a 724 restaurant and health center to solve all health related issues of COVID and all other health related issues in our health center. 1,000 PGC members will also get the Sa'adat of Umrah and Kun Ziyarat along with sustainable income. 5,300 PGC members will be getting the Sa'adat of Hajj, preschool to PhD education, and a home ownership in 53 months. So welcome aboard to Sam's TQLMA Club. Initiate this wonderful journey of climate smart entrepreneurship attraction and participate. The 10 PGC annual membership also includes a book from the president of Energime University, Professor Bill Susinski, describing the climate smart technologies and describing the strategy of how to build a wonderful world for our children. Along with the book, we will also get the link for 2021 Christmas Climate Smart Conference, which everybody should enjoy physically, virtually, just in time participate, or they will have access to the recording so that they can take benefit of the experience of high profile SAMS Energime University professors. So welcome aboard, pass on this message to everyone and join SAMS TQLMA Club. सारे मुसलमान भाइयों को यौमुल जुमा का मुबारक दिन, मुबारक महीना हो। सारे हजरात जो मक्का मुअज़्ज़मा, मदीनतुल मुनव्वरा, बैतुल मक़दिस, करबला मुअल्ला, नजफ़ुल अशरफ में मुकीम हैं, हमारे हक़ में ख़ास दुआ करें कि हमारा ये मकसद जो है जिससे हम इकोनॉमिक वाइब्रेंसी सारी ग्लोबल फैमिलीज़ को हम दे सकें, तो सारे लोग हमारे हक़ में दुआ करें और SAMS TQLMA क्लब को 10 TGC या 20 कनेडियन डॉलर के साथ ज्वाइन करके तिजारतुल राबिहा विद का आगाज़ करें। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला सय्यिदिना मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि सय्यिदिना मुहम्मदिन व बारिक वसल्लिम वरहम कमा सल्लैता व सल्लमता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद।